Hey y'all, so this Sunday we have potato salad. My family's already dug in. I've been out. So we got potato salad here. I also have the BBQ Pig Feet. I know some people say, oh, you eat that? Yeah, not all the time. I may fix this once or twice a year. But these are the BBQ Pig Feet. That's what they look like. We'll have baked beans. And I'll link the recipes with I'll link the videos of the recipes that I make. And also I fixed some mustard greens. There they are. No cornbread. I used to always eat cornbread with my greens, but I'm cutting back on carbs, and I have potatoes and I have these beans. So that's enough. Alright, y'all. Be blessed. Much love. Bye.
Anywhere you go, give it all.